Hey, what's up? I'm just coming over here to cast my opinion about this fucking government shutdown. Mr. President, let me tell you something, man. Fuck your hamburgers and your french fries, nigga. Give us our paycheck, bruh. Nigga, I'm out here working for free, homie. My kids gotta eat, nigga. Look, let me show you something. Look at my refrigerator, bro. You think it's a game? What's in there? A water and a Dr. Pepper, bruh. Because that's the only doctor that I'm able to see is Dr. Pepper, nigga. Because I can't go to the doctor because you fucking with our paychecks, Mr. President. My kids gotta eat, nigga. I don't care nothing about that wall, homie. Nothing about that. I need my paycheck, bro. That's what I need. I don't care if I get fired, nigga. Stop this wall bullshit, homie. And give us our paychecks. Give us our checks, nigga.